Stop it, Minecraft. Hey guys, it's Bob Frigo with another video. And yeah, we're gonna build a house. A magnificent one. Hey, you know what? I just made my first video. This is my first video on Minecraft. Look at those fat pigs in the background. There's someone behind me and I don't know who it is. Who is it? Alright, so I'm just gonna fall off the cliff and stop building, right? No, but I'm not. I'm gonna go and start building. So yeah, whatever. So this is my first video anyway. I'm acting like a total dick right now, but yeah, this fucking pig won't move. Oh, now it's moving, but it's running away from me. It's scared. It's scared to hell. That bitch. Fuck out of here. It did the twirl. That stupid fucking pig. It did the twirl. And the guy behind me is the giggle box. So whenever I do something really silly, that's the guy of the funny level. So if it's funny, he'll laugh. And how much he laughs will be really, that would be basically to show you how much the funny level is for every video. Unless it's not a good video with a funny laugh. So why don't we start building? What block should we use? I mean, we do need some guardians. How about we get some pigs or something? Ooh, what's that? Parrot. I need that. All right. Let's spawn a fucking parrot. Oh my god, I need parrots! I need parrots in my house! Oh my god! Parrots! There he went off. The giggle box went off. Alright. The parrots will keep us company in the fucking house. Alright, so now we should start building with the parrot. I'm gonna put it in my inventory because he's really the best thing I have. So let's start building. Let's get some fucking wood. Oh, I don't want one block. If you're in survival, you need thousands of blocks. How about glass? What's new recipes unlocked? Why do they keep saying that stuff? Ooh, what's this? I don't know what the heck this is. What is it? It's a beeping, blinking fucking button. What's on the other side? It's an angry guy. It's a freaking angry guy. How are you doing? How are you doing, man? He's not even talking to me. Look how grumpy he is. He's a freaking grumpy guy. Alright, so we need to build. Okay, there's so many parrots. Parrots attack that stupid fucking pig. Okay, where do we start? That's what you're saying. You're thinking. What am I? Okay. Yeah, how to build a house. So we have to build a house. And we don't have a mouse, and we're on Mac, and I have to use control, so I'm horrible at building. I mean, my fucking parrots will help me, right? I'm gonna ask one. Hey, parrot, will you help me? You're ignoring me. You're flying away. Oh, they're attacking the pig for me. What? They're not? They're not? Are they? No, not really. What are you doing, fucking parrots? I need to get you out of here. I'm sorry for the distraction, but I need to get the parrots out of there. I need to get them out. No. Oh, whatever. Let's just build our house. Is there anything down here? Oh my god. I'm drowning. There's so many fucking squids. Why did I jump down here again? I have no idea. These glowy things. The dandelion. No, there's sunflowers. What am I thinking? Dandelions? Nope. Not dandelions. This is fucking high. I don't want to build my house here. I don't want to. Let's just forget about building a house up there and start building one here. So I'm horrible at building houses, just to tell you. And why am I making one if that's really what I'm doing? Why am I making a house? And why am I making a video if I'm bad at building houses? I have no idea. Maybe just a home for parrots? Is that okay? Is that okay? A home for parrots. Fucking parrots. You're blowing your nose. Aren't you?
No.
You are.
No.
What is wrong with this block?
Are you British?
You are British.
Shut up.
Shut up, you bitch. Call me back.
No.
You're destroying it. Bob Fricko is gonna kill that dude. All right, let's put our face guy right here. What's wrong with him? He's facing up. We don't want him to face up. So you need to face the direction he will face, and he's gonna keep on the lookout. So you're asking me, Bob Fricko, you're not even building a house. Well, it's a house for parrots. Didn't you say that? The beginning was horrible. I mean, building a house and all that, but I'm horrible at building, and then why am I building a house? Because my parrots are gonna get a jail cell, because what were they doing? They're not listening to me. Yep. And what time is it? What's wrong? Let's try again. That was better. What should we do? Let's start building. Okay. So, first of all, this is your basic stupid fucking platform, and you're just gonna build one in a house for parrots. And this is version 1.2. No, it's not. It's 1.12. Why do I keep forgetting stuff? What are you doing?
Eating chocolates.
No, you're not. Damn it, you. Alright.
Oh, shut up.
Shut up.
Oh, no, you shut up.
Alright. This is perfect for a parrot. Isn't this? It's like really perfect. I'm horrible at building homes, I think. Fuck. Why am I fucking bad at building? I'm fucking bad. You don't know?
No.
Alright, now let's unleash the parrot and make the face rule. So the face will guard the face. The faces will scare the parrots off. And then they will only stay in there. Let's see. Let's see if that works. It should work. It should work. I think I'm seeing their asses right now. Am I? I can't believe this. What? Bottles. Not. Yeah, those blinking lights is the poop that they make, right? And bam. We finished that side. Now. Ooh, look at the faces! They're so mad! Ooh. 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 Look at it! Bam! Bob Frickle is back. And he shows you the observers. Look at them. Their faces are so pretty. Now, it's time to trap the parrots. There! Don't escape this home. No. Don't escape. Alright, once you've finished, you can just... How dare you escape! You parrot must go. Get back in there! Get back in there! Alright. So I learned a lesson today. Parrots are not nice. They're stupid. The fucking bitches. Yeah, fall off. Okay, he's whispering in my ear what to do and what to try. Oh, I also learned some commands today. That's what my friend is talking about, I think. Can you stop touching the computer? I need to finish my home before I show them my commands. And that wasn't even a command. I'm tired of this. Command. Get off there, parrot. Perfect. Okay, parrots are everywhere, and then they have to stay in here, but, good some are trapped outside, so no parrot will ever... Come on, get in there. You're not getting in there. Crap you. Alright, so, once you got all the blocks after you place your observers to scare them off, you can easily just, I think, just spawn them in. And just spawn them. How dare you get out? Yeah, that's all you have to do. And get your wood and place the opening. Come on, let me place. There we go. Now the home for parrots is complete. Look at them inside. Now we'll show you my commands. Alright, here we go. Now, I will show you the commands over here. Just like that. So, I learned how to change game modes today. Isn't that epic? Yay! I know. At every end of the video, every video, I will show you something new that I learned. Or probably in the beginning, I don't know. Can you stop? Alright, so here's my first command I learned. So I learned how to do change game modes. So yeah, you just can do /game mode. I'm just gonna do spectator. I'm gonna do spectator mode, alright? What the crap? What? Where's my home? Where's my parrot home? Shut up. They live in a... Oh crap. Slash. Who is that guy? So let's try and kill him. What? Okay, what is his name? Slash kill. Alright, let's kill him. What? Am I him? What is wrong with this place? Yeah. Oh, slash game mode 1. Yeah, 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 yeah. My parents, my parents, my parents. Shut up. What are you doing now? Shut up, my parents. They're gone. Shut up, stupid over guy thing. I don't know what the slash kill him, kill him, kill him. What? No. Slash game mode is P. Let's see where he is. Let's see where he is. You're thinking, yeah, man, that's awesome. No, I'm trying to look for him. Where is he? He should be underground somewhere. Was that the point? No, where is he? Oh, probably in there. Ooh, whatever. Alright, so we're gonna turn it back to survival and we'll see. Let's see. Is he gonna be right in there? Let's see. Slash game mode 0. Let's see. Let's see his face. What is it with this guy? What is wrong? Why? No, I don't want to die. Where's Oliver? Is he killing me? Okay, that was enough for that video. So I should learn how to change game modes. Ooh, an egg. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, there's a little baby chicken. So yeah, that was my little change. Just why did I do that stuff? Anyway, that was really distracting to the video. So hope you guys enjoyed my stupid video. Is that mama chicken? No way. No mama chicken. Sorry for the distraction. I might have done everything stupid. Let's go find a parrot home. Let's see where it is. Where is it? So whatever. Thank you for watching anyway. I appreciate you. I'm sorry it was bad. And the egg. What's wrong with the eggs? No chicken. No chicken. No. Oh, come on. I'm not lucky, but yeah, thank you for watching my video. That's my old home I made. Ooh, what's this? So yeah. Thank you for watching anyways. Sorry, I keep interrupting my fucking video. So thank you. I can't believe the fucking distractions did all this. Okay, whatever. Yeah, let's just stop recording. Thank you for watching, and